Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get the username in Messenger. Your Messenger username is linked to your Facebook profile and allows people to find or message you easily. To locate it, start by opening the Messenger app on your phone. Once Messenger is open, tap on the three dot and go to Menu. And after you are on the menu, click on Settings, scroll down until you find the option called Personal Details. Click on your profile. And as you can see, we are in this interface. To get the username, just click on Name and the first name. And the middle name and the last name are here. The name that is displayed here is your username. People can use your username to find or message you easily. You can also change your username by clicking on the username. And you can just type a username and enter your password when prompted, and your username will be changed successfully. You can also change your avatar or profile picture from the settings. Your Messenger username makes it easier for people to contact you without needing your phone number, and it helps keep your communication simple and organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.